Hi friends, this is our HD DVR. The accessories to mount it in our car. This goes to the windshield and it holds the camera like this. Okay. It has a battery, basic instructions. All these ones here they are in English, and of course the charging cable. Okay, it has a color display in it, so let's try it.
Meditating? Do you have a journal? And like, oh, that's one. So what are you capturing? What are you writing down?
Yeah, so typically when I'm getting into the flow state, I will have like a notebook near me in case any ideas drop in. But then once I'm in that state is when I go through and I start scrolling on social media first, taking a look at trends, seeing what's going on, and seeing what ideas start clicking. Like I'll see like Drop It Like It's Hot by Snoop Dogg trending. I'm like, okay, I can match that with the drop down menu, right?
Per click, but ranking